Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all? How are you all? Fine?
Fine.
Yes. Fine. Did you complete the notes which I have sent 1.2 symmetry and reflection?
morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And I told you, you can draw some examples for symmetric shapes. No need to draw the pictures. Yes? Have you completed?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How to that?
Okay. Now, I can see some house, they are talking to their parents, children. Now, when you start the lesson, what do you have to do? Mute, okay? Then I will tell you by name. Because when it's starting, I can see some parents, they are talking to their children. Celine, Isha, please on your video.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, good morning, children.
Ma'am.
Can you see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And what about the audio is also clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. I will ask one by one. Okay, Felix, please mute. Navneet, Sarah, all. So last class we have we were discussing about reflection and symmetry. Let me see who is not. Naitika. Who is Naitika?
Nainika, ma'am. Nainika.
Nainika, but it is written here Naitika. Oh, Nainika by name. Okay. Celine, please on. Alessandra, Celine, please on video. Okay, so we were discussing what is reflection and symmetry. So what is that? When an object is placed in front of a mirror, we will get its image. What is that image called, Parvati? When we see our image on the mirror, we will call that image reflection. Okay, very good. So you know, reflection, when we see our image. So when an object is placed in front of a mirror, we will get its image. That image will be same like the object. Yes, the image will be same like object. So that image is called reflection. And where we can see these reflections, Felix?
In front of the mirror.
Mirror. And
Ma'am.
last class we were discussing, no?
Water.
Water, oil, very good.
Shiny surface.
Shiny surfaces. Okay, shiny surfaces. I told you, like in sometime polished our silver plates and steel plates, and so that polished surfaces also, or shiny surface also, we can see the image. Then we were discussing about symmetry. Okay, symmetry. So when a line divides a shape into two identical parts, we will get. So that line is called, who can say, Risa? Can you say the line that divides a shape into two identical parts? Risa?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Line of symmetry. Yes, who is calling?
Symmetry.
Who is calling?
Symmetry.
Hari.
Yes, Rihari, what's the problem?
You want to just tell the answer?
Okay, so I told you, no, I'm calling by name. All the children, please mute, okay? Please mute, because when you say all together, we will not able to listen. That's why. So when a line divides a shape into two identical parts, we can say, or we can say where both parts are reflections of each other, that line is called line of symmetry. And shapes, what are symmetrical shapes? Who can say? Raise your hand. Yes, Felix again. Siddhi. Felix got one chance. Okay, Siddhi.
Ma'am, square.
Square. That's an example, no? I want what is symmetrical shapes? Shapes with?
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Shapes
Yes, Siddhi.
with one or
Shapes with one or more lines of symmetry. Yes.
lines
Okay.
of
Very good.
symmetry.
Shapes with one or more lines of symmetry. And for example, I told you in a square, there are how many lines of symmetry? 4.
4,
And rectangle. What about rectangle?
2.
2. Okay. And circle, we can draw many lines of symmetry. Okay. Shapes with no line of symmetry. Navaneet, shapes with no line of symmetry. That shapes are called asymmetrical. Asymmetry. Yes. Yes. Somebody who
Asymmetrical shapes.
somebody is telling before. So I told Navaneet he was going to say by the time somebody. Don't do like that. Okay. So that is asymmetrical shapes. Okay. So you know what is symmetry, what is reflections, and where we can see all these reflections, and what about symmetrical shapes, asymmetrical shapes. Okay, children. Now we are going to do workbook questions. I told you, be ready with the workbook and the rough book.
Yes.
Yes? Are you ready?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
So children, Devarsh, please mute. I will call by one. Aditi, Devarsh, Siddhi, Juan, please mute. Jenica, on your video. So children, I will call one by one. Before saying that answer, if you have any doubt to draw on reflection and all, that's why I told you to keep one rough book with you. And today we are going to do workbook questions, page number 6. All of you take 1.2. Question number 1, we are going to, I will going to start the sharing screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
My 21th and 22nd question is incomplete.
Who's that?
Glenn,
Glenn. Why, Glenn?
I didn't get that message.
Short.
What about children? Question number 21 and 22. That was, I sent that one. Okay, I sent that one. Check your message again, or all the we are uploading the notes also in the website, and I am sending that in the WhatsApp also. Children, did you all get? Navaneet, Siddhi and all, did you complete question number 21 and 22?
Yes.
Yes, all of the
ma'am.
children. Okay, Glenn, please check one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. We are going to do page number 6. I will ask one by one. Only those children are going to say the answers. Okay. So question number 1. Okay, Glenn, tell me. Dash is a 2D figure with 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. Look at your square, rectangle, cube or cuboid.
Square.
Square. So what will be the answer? Option is A. Okay, so all the children, you can circle the answer and write square. That first one, you know that square is a 2D shape. And what is the peculiarity, or what is the special feature for square? All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Okay. So, Dia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the children, please mute. We are going to do, who is calling that?
Riddhi.
What about Riddhi?
Workbook we need to write.
Workbook. You joined late. We were discussing. Okay, take the workbook, page number 6. Okay. So now we are doing workbook. In the textbook, we are not. There is no questions to do like that. No. So when we finish studying, we are doing the questions in the workbook. Okay, and I will be sending the notes afterwards. Those who have any connection problem, no, the answers will be sending through the WhatsApp in the group. Okay, Dia, can you read question number 2?
Dash is a 2D figure with 3 sides.
Okay, dash is a 2D figure with 3 sides. Tell me the answer: square, triangle, cone, or cuboid. Which one?
Triangle.
Triangle. Yes, children, all these are very easy. You know, triangle has 3 sides, and that is also a 2D shape. Okay, Haira, can you read question number 3? All others, please mute. We can see some other sound. Okay, Haira, can you unmute? Haira?
Dash is a 2D figure
with 4 corners.
4 corners and 2 points of equal.
Let me see whose video audio is muted. Okay, Hyra, it's okay. All others muted. Tanvi, is the video? Navneet, please mute because we can hear some sound. Isha Fatima? Isha, please mute and on your video. Okay, Hridvi, read question number 3. No, Hyra. Yes, Hyra was reading, no? Glenn, please mute. Hyra, continue the question. Hyra, unmute and read. Yes. Okay. Dash, she say. Danvin, can you read louder? Danvin, please unmute and read louder. Danvin. All
Yes,
others,
ma'am.
please mute. Please mute.
Dash is 2D figure with 4 corners and 2 pairs of equal sides.
Okay, dash is a 2D figure. 4 corners is the and
Rectangle.
equal sides. What's that, Danvin? Is it square, rectangle, cube, or cuboid?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Okay, so what is the figure with here? Question number 3. We have rectangle is a 2D figure with 2 sides, or we can say opposite sides are equal. What about square? Tanvi? Can you say what is the special for square? 4 sides are equal. So when you say the answer, you have to unmute and say 4 sides are equal. Okay. Janvi, question number 4. The reflection of n along the dotted line. This dotted line is horizontal. Okay. So what you have to do? Find out the reflection. Janvi, and tell me which will be the option answer.
B.
Huh? B. Very good. All the children. Now here we have n and the dotted line. That is the line of reflection is horizontal and that is n. Okay, children. Did you get any doubt for this? Manav, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Children, here the line of symmetry, you have to see that is reflection.
1 to 6.
Is
1 to 6
horizontal.
questions.
Sometimes that will be vertical line of
No doubts. Very simple. 1 to 6.
vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. So this n, the vertical line, it's horizontal line. So you got, all of you got option B.
Yes.
Now we are going to continue. Question number?
Yes.
Question number 5. Okay, the reflection. Now we need the reflection of that apple. See that apple, the line of reflection is vertical. So look carefully how this, and you have to observe the leaves also, leaves. A, very good. Yes, children, very good. So all of you got, look at this apple, that line of reflection that is vertical, and here it is on the right side. So in the reflection, it will be left side, that leaves. Understood? So all the children got A? Okay. Now, Avantika?
Yes, ma'am.
Which Avantika? Avantika Bilash?
Yeah.
Yeah. Avantika Bilash, the reflection of this leaf along the dotted line. Check that along the dotted line.
D.
It's D. Very good. D. Children, this. Who is calling?
Ma'am, Avantika Blash changed the school.
Change the school?
Yes.
So this. So who told the answer now?
Avantika, yes.
Oh yes. Okay, Avantika. Oh yes. I was going to call Arpida only. So I called Avantika. I didn't see, and I was going to call Arpida only. So no problem. Okay, the reflection of this leaf along the dotted line, and all of you got that leaves as answer is D. Okay, so first page till 1 to 6 children, that's over, no? Over. Okay, Celine, can you read question number 7?
The line of symmetry divides the figure into two halves.
Two halves. Okay, children. Line of symmetry that divides the shape into how many parts? It's two parts. Two parts. Two parts. So we can write here the line. That is question number 8. So I will do the next before. So here we have. You can write question number. Which now? Question number 7. That is 2. You can write here the answer as 2. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes. So 2 halves. You can write in spelling or you can write in number. 2 halves.
I can see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
I can see the board.
I can see the board.
Who cannot see the board? Tell me your name.
Now I can see.
Okay. So next year, Ashwal, can you unmute and say read question number 8?
The dotted line is known as the line of dash.
Lion. Is it lion? Line of symmetry. Okay, what's the answer? Line of don't make it lion. Okay, so everybody will run. They will be scared. Line of symmetry. Symmetry.
Ma'am, what is the 7th question?
2. How many halves you will get? Symmetry. Look at the spelling of symmetry. Question number 8. The dotted line, that is the line divides the shape. Okay, did you complete question number 7? That is the line of symmetry divides the shape into how many halves? 2 halves. You can write TWO, the spelling, or you can write in number. Okay. Now next one, that dotted line. That line which divides the shape into 2 identical parts. What is that line is called? Line of
Symmetry.
Very easy, you know, children?
Yes.
Okay, Felix and Siddhi, after answering, you can unmute. Okay, take the question, page number, next page. Page number?
7.
Page number?
7.
7, yes.
7.
Okay, Krishnananda, please read question number 9.
Dash is an object of
The dash
of an object
is
of the same size
as
as the object. What when we were starting now, we were revising. What will be the same size? Yes, Krishnananda, can you say? The dash of an object. The dash of an object will be the same as the object. Who can say the answer? Who can say, Maria? The dash of an object will be the same as the object.
Reflection.
Reflection. Very good. Who said that?
Izan.
Izan. Yes. When we were discussing, no, when we were in the beginning, we were revising what is the reflection. When we look into a mirror, the object, we will see the image same like the object. That is called reflection. Okay, children, you can write the reflection. Look at the spelling and write reflection. The reflection of an object. We learned only reflection and symmetry. Okay. So what we learned symmetry? The object with one or more line of symmetry is called symmetrical shapes. And this reflection will be same as the object. Okay. Now, question number 10. Draw a vertical line of symmetry through the given figure. All the children, you have to draw neatly using a pencil. Don't use a pen and afterwards When it is not correct, you cannot make it change. So where you can, all the children, can you draw this vertical line of symmetry?
Yes.
Ma'am, I can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the board.
Who cannot see the board? Can you tell
Ma'am,
me your name?
Isha.
Isha. Is there any connectivity
Isha.
problem? You have the workbook with you. Workbook is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you have to do, take question number 10. You can see one star and you have to only draw one line of symmetry. If I zoom more, no, then we will not able to see that full page. That's why. Okay. So from the corner in the front, you have to draw a vertical line. You can draw line as dotted line. Okay, children, is that clear? Dotted line. You have to use a scale. If there is no scale, you can draw in the rough book, or afterwards you can draw neatly in the workbook after the class. And children, that's over.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have to draw one line. Okay, children, you have to draw one
We should draw
line.
dotted line or
One line,
normal
dotted line. We used to draw dotted line. Okay. So we will say now the dotted line is called the line of symmetry. This, why is called line of symmetry? Because this line divides the shape into two identical parts. And when you draw, children, when you draw, the two parts should be equal. That's why we are drawing one vertical line exactly that to the corner of the first. Yes,
Ma'am,
first.
can we do 11 and 12?
Finished? Okay, question number 11. Draw the lines of symmetry. Devarsh. Question number 11. Which figure you can see there? Devarsh.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. And can you say how many lines of symmetry will be there? How many lines of symmetry? Two. So children, what you have to be careful, we have to draw one vertical line, one horizontal line, but you have to make that exactly half. Okay, don't make one portion or one piece bigger and the other parts will be small. That will not be a line of symmetry. Okay, children, when you draw, you can take enough time neatly. One vertical line and one horizontal line, but it should be equal when you draw. So children, exactly you can make this. I will take another color, okay, so you can see properly. Blue. Okay, then one vertical line, then one, you can draw the dotted line, one vertical and one horizontal. And when you draw, you have to be very careful because this line divides the shape into two identical halves. So when you draw, should be over, children. Question number 12 also same.
No,
Question number 12
No,
also
ma'am.
same. Okay, complete.
Am I too?
yes, ma'am.
Question number 2 also. No, question number 2, 12. Draw the lines of symmetry through the given shape. You can draw like the same. Divide this picture equally to one vertical line, one horizontal line. Children, draw neatly. Exactly equal. It should be exactly the half. Let me see how many are drawing or someone is talking or here and there. Can you show that? Can you show your answers, children? Yes, okay. Felix, I can see Felix. Yes, Dia.
Ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Adidev. Yes.
Ma'am.
Who is calling? Yes, Felix. Yes. Yes, Aditi is drawing another shapes. Yes. Did you complete the workbook, Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, Siddhi also I can see that. Yes, Ashwell, Devers, Juan, Haira. Yes, all the children. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Diya, Manav, Janvi. Yes, Aditi is drawing more pictures. Very good. That day I told you, you can make some symmetrical shapes. Did you do that, children? Patterns. You can find more patterns. You can make like butterfly pictures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I found many.
Children, question number 13. It's a drawing that you can do as homework. Question number 13. All of you look. Question number 13.
Also
Who's
14,
going to
ma'am.
read that one? Glenn.
I did that.
Glenn, read question number 13. Feeling
I
sleepy.
did that.
Yes, Felix.
Circle the
Okay.
objects that can have a line of symmetry.
What?
Circle the objects that can
Which
have
question
a
did I
line of
say?
symmetry.
Which question did I say?
13.
13. Children, is that 13?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see one butterfly and flower picture?
Question number 14.
Question number 14.
That is question number 14. Okay. So no problem. I think, children, look at this. This is in your book. This is 14.
No. No. No, ma'am.
So can you see this butterfly picture here?
No, ma'am. Yes.
What is that question number in your book?
14.
14. You can do as homework. Okay, children? Can you see this butterfly? What you have to do? You have to draw. Okay, exactly like here. So from here, you have to see. And what about this flower? You have to see exactly the same. And you can make this half. And so, children, question number 14 in your book. That's homework. Complete that picture of sky and
13 is also homework.
13 we will do now. 13 we will do now. Can all the children please mute? Where is that disturbing sound?
Mute.
Okay. So, Glenn, after this next class, Friday, Glenn will be telling me, ma'am, we did not complete question number 14. Write that as homework. Don't tell me, ma'am, we did not complete that question. Okay? Don't tell me, ma'am, we did not complete. Okay. Now, question number 13, we can do. Circle the objects that can have a line of symmetry. Look at these pictures and tell me. I will ask. Manav. Question number.
Ma'am, I finished that question.
Ma'am, I finished that question. Yes, ma'am.
Now Manav is going to tell me the answer. Okay, Manav is
Yes.
going to tell me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures are there. 4 pictures are there. And circle the objects that can have a line of symmetry. You have to tell me the numbers for the pictures.
The 8 pictures are the 3.
3 that jar. Yes,
Yes,
this one.
ma'am. Yes,
Only one.
3.
Only one picture have line of symmetry. Check again.
No. Rocket.
Rocket. Yeah, the first one. The rocket. Yes. How we can see, children? We can draw one vertical line. Yes.
Ma'am, dog.
Dog. Dog. Can we make?
No.
No.
Hand we can make.
Children, only this one.
Car.
1 and 3.
Ma'am, car.
Ma'am, car. Ma'am, the car.
Where car?
Car.
You
Ma'am,
have
there
one
are
car?
8 pictures. 8 pictures are there.
8 pictures are there. Oh. Children. Okay, this is new book.
Down
Maybe.
4 are
Okay.
there.
I am using last year's. Here. Yes. Another next page. Yes. Okay. Car. Car is also correct. Children, car also correct. So how many?
Viper.
Huh?
That. What? Swiper that.
Calling now also.
Now, children,
Clean something.
after drawing, show me this. How many pictures you have? Siddhi, how many pictures you have? Line of symmetry. Rocket. Then one fish. That bowl.
Fish bowl.
Then car.
Car.
Then
Can.
Ashwell. Yes, how many pictures you got? Yes. Car,
Ma'am,
rocket, and ball.
Tree. Ma'am, tree.
Tree. Okay. Tree is.
Vertical.
Can you know,
Vertical.
children, that branches? It's not exactly the same. Okay, children. So we have only rocket and car and bowl. Okay, the tree. If it is all the branches are same, then only we can divide using a vertical line. Horizontal line is not possible because upper part we have branches
Symmetrical
and down we have the stem, the trunk, and like that, the root and all. So we cannot have horizontal line. Vertical line, these two parts, they are not
Excuse
same.
me, ma'am.
So children, we will do only
Excuse
2
me,
pages
ma'am.
today, and all the children, I think it's completed now.
Yes.
Question number 14, why I
Excuse
gave you
me.
homework, because you can draw neatly and color that picture, that butterfly. When it is symmetry means exactly the same color you can give. So this red color butterfly, which color you will give for the another half?
Red color.
Red color. What about the flower?
Blue color.
Blue. Okay, children. So first you have to draw exactly as the same, the half. Then, yes, Isan, yes, I can see that. Very good. So what you have to do is, after the class, draw neatly and color it.
Okay.
Color with the same color. Then only you will able to understand, okay, this is exactly the symmetry,
Ma'am,
that is
next
reflection.
period-
Huh?
Ma'am, next math classes at which day?
Which, who is asking me?
Ma'am,
Sarah.
Sarah, yes?
Ma'am,
Math
the
class?
next
All others please mute. All others please mute. Please mute. Okay. I will answer. Okay, Sarah. Yes?
Friday.
Tell me, what do you want? Maths class is on
Ma'am.
which day?
Yeah.
We have only 2 days, Wednesday and Friday. And now we
Okay.
are doing what chapter? Reflection and
Math.
symmetry. And children, this is very easy. And after this, I will send some notes, because that question number 16 and all, where we can see reflection, that all the children know reflection we can see in mirror. You told me no in the beginning. That all I will send the WhatsApp the notes. Then you can complete. Okay, children. So I want all the children to revise how much we have finished. Chapter 1 circle. Chapter 1 circle. Now 1.2 reflections and symmetry. Okay, children. Do the question number 14 as homework. Okay, children. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Children,